Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. So today we'll learn a trick which can be applied in Olympiad math question. Question is, can you prove cos pi over 7 multiplies cos 2 pi over 7 multiplies cos 3 pi over 7 equals to 1 over 8. So get ready to learn the trick. I'll start from sine 8 pi by 7. Sine 8 pi by 7 can be written as sine pi plus pi by 7, right? This will be minus sine pi by 7. Pi by 7. Now sine 8 pi by 7 can be written as your 2 cos 4 pi by 7 into sine 4 pi by 7. This is minus pi by 7 we have written. Again, I'll expand this one sine 4 pi by 7, or this will be 2 cos 4 pi by 7 this will be 2 sine 2 pi by 7 multiplies cos 2 pi by 7 equals to minus sine pi by 7. Or again I'll expand this one. So it will be 4 cos 4 pi by 7. This will be 2 sine pi by 7 cos pi by 7 and cos 2 pi by 7 equals to minus sine pi by 7. I'll cancel this one. It will be 1. Or now you see this will be 8 cos pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7 equals to minus 1. But I am not getting this one. Oh, now the again magic. You can write cos 4 pi by 7, nothing but your cos pi minus 4 pi by 7, that will be cos 3 pi by 7. Of course, negative because it is in second quadrant. So we are getting minus 8 cos pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 cos 3 pi by 7 equal to minus 1, or cos pi by 7 cos 2 pi by 7 cos 3 pi by 7 equals to your 1 over 8. So hence proved. So I hope you liked the trick. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. If you have subscribed, thank you. Comment down, share the video, like the video.